the rule 4 of the equation. So what is our equation of the curve? R square equal to a square cos 2 theta. So we have to find the angle phi in the rule 4. That means find the points where the tangent coincides. Just we have to check here. First we have to find the points, and wherever the tangent coincides with the radius vector or tangent is perpendicular to it. So we have to check this point in the rule 4. See, first we have to simplify this tan phi and then write down the conclusion. So first we have to find dr by d theta. So what is derivative of r square is 2r, r is function of theta. So dr by d theta equal to a square as it is. What is derivative of cos 2 theta is the minus sin 2 theta, and into again derivative of 2 theta is the 2. So we have to write down minus 2a square sin 2 theta. So 2 get a cancel. So what is the value of dr by d theta? Dr upon d theta is minus a square sin 2 theta divided by r. So this is the value of dr by d theta. Put this value in equation 1. That means the equation 1 becomes tan phi equal to, see, r upon this term. So reciprocal of this term in numerator becomes r into r. So we have to write down r square upon minus a square sin 2 theta. But what is the value of r square? This is a given term. So a square cos 2 theta divided by minus a square sin 2 theta. So a square again get a cancel. So what is cos upon sin? This becomes minus cot 2 theta here tan phi. But we have to find the angle phi. That means the angle phi. So again we have to convert this cot into tan. After that we have to easily write down phi equal to this reduced angle. So how to convert minus cot 2 theta? So we have to apply result minus cot theta. See here we have to write this result minus cot theta. It can be done as tan of pi by 2 plus theta. So this is the standard result. We have to apply this result. That means here tan of pi by 2 plus theta. But what is our theta? Theta is the 2 theta. So here tan phi. That means what is the value of phi? Phi equal to pi by 2 plus 2 theta. And then we have to write down the conclusion. That means see, at theta equal to 0, what is the value of phi? Value of phi is the pi by 2. That means we have to write down the conclusion. The tangent is perpendicular to the initial line. Okay, see, tangent is perpendicular to the initial line. Therefore here again I will write here tangent is because theta equal to pi by 2 is the y-axis and x-axis is the initial line, right? That means we have to say that tangent is perpendicular to the line, to the initial line at points a comma 0 and minus a comma 0. Okay, because on the initial line there are 2 points a0 and minus a comma 0. So this is the conclusion of the rule 4. After that, see, the next point is we have to trace the curve. So how to trace the curve? See, there are angle theta equal to 0 here. This is theta equal to pi by 2. This is theta equal to pi, and this is theta equal to 3 pi by 2. So after that, what is our point of theta are? See, 0, pi by 4, pi by 2. So first 0. So after that this is pi by 4. Just we have to take all theta in sequentially. 0 pi by 4. Next is 2 pi by 4 is pi by 2. So what is the next point is here? 3 pi by 4. Here 4 pi by 4 pi. After that 5 pi by 4, 6 pi by 4, 3 pi by 2, and 7 pi by 4, right? And here point a comma 0, and this is minus a comma 0. So how to draw the curve? See, first we will discuss the table. See, in that table, as theta increases from pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, so that terms we have to get here r square is negative or r is imaginary. That means curve does not exist. Theta lies between pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. So here curve does not exist. After that, same for here. See, the theta 5 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4. Here again curve does not exist, because here again we have to get the imaginary part. That means see, at 0 to pi by 4 curve exists, right? So second here, okay, see here, So here at 0 to pi by 4 curve exists, but pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 curve does not exist because a imaginary part. After that 3 pi by 4 to pi is also curve exists, pi to pi by 4 curve exists, but see 5 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4 again curve does not exist, and 7 pi by 4 to 2 pi here curve is also exist. Just you have to remember at theta equal to pi by 2 we get here imaginary point, imaginary part. That means at theta lies between pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, so that here curve does not exist. Same way here at theta equal to pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4 we get imaginary part, so curve does not exist. All remaining points here curve will be exist. So how to trace the curve? See, after that see here at first curve lies between here 0 to pi by 4, but see pi by 4 is the tangent of this curve. 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4, these are the tangent of that pole, right? So how to draw the curve? See, curve passing through here or this point, so pi by 4 is the tangent, so this part, right? But see this curve is symmetry about the initial line, that means same part lies in downward side, lies on the downward side. So similarly again here 7 pi by 4 is nothing but the minus pi by 4, so this is again minus pi by 4 or 7 pi by 4 is the tangent of this curve. But see pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 here curve does not exist. After that 3 pi by 4 to pi curve exists, 3 pi by 4 to pi curve exists, so this 3 pi by 4 is the tangent of this curve. So again we have to draw this curve of this type, okay? But see curve is again symmetry about initial line, that means we have to draw the same in downward direction. We have to draw the same curve for the downward direction, okay? After that see here 3 pi by 4 to pi curve exists, pi to 5 pi by 4 is curve exists, that means pi to 5 pi by 4, so this half loop lies downward on the direction. After that see 5 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4, so 5 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4 here curve does not exist, and the last is curve exists 7 pi by 4 to 2 pi, so half loop here lies here downward direction. So in that way we have to draw the curve. So this is the curve of this question.